what's up everybody? It's Dan Greer with Eclipse DOT, and today we're out doing some more training. We're having a lot of fun helping this awesome, amazing company. Right now, so yesterday we did some like fifth wheel style backing for this new modernized CDL stuff and trying to get all that and get these guys down and doing some, driver refresher, stuff like that for them. And yesterday we were doing a fifth wheel. Today we're doing a pedal hitch for it, and then we've actually swapped over and we're using that fifth wheel truck over there for doing inspections on today, and we got another fifth wheel out that's running around doing some driving and just having a lot of fun with stuff and just making it work, right? That's what we do. We find solutions, we make stuff work for that. Anyways, just thought I'd come to you guys and say, hey, if you guys are looking for solutions for training for your guys, you should check out Eclipse DOT. You should hit us up because we can take care of you. We can do stuff. We're super innovative. We love working with companies big and small, all kinds. Like this company does, I don't know, a couple $1 billion a year or something like that is what I heard in revenue. They've got 1,000 employees or something like that. They do a great job. We've worked with a lot of companies, worked with small companies that have 5 or 6 drivers. We do training regularly every quarter for a company that has 50 employees or like 25 drivers, I think is what they have, and they run all locally, and these guys run all over the nation. And then we've got other guys that run just in their state or just in their region. So if you're looking for some kind of training for your drivers, some kind of training for your safety guys, some kind of training for your HR, some kind of training for your DOT stuff, we can help you with that too. So we do all kinds of stuff like that. So anyways, just thought that I would throw that out there and give you guys that nice little tidbit. All right, chat with you later. Bye.